Hi students, good morning. Welcome back to classification of elements. Today we discuss about electron affinity or electron gain enthalpy and another property electronegativity. Here first one, let us see electron gain enthalpy, or it is also called electron affinity. The amount of energy released when an electron is added to neutral isolated gaseous atom, then it is called electron gain enthalpy. For example, the amount of energy released when an electron is added to neutral isolated gaseous atom, that means X minus gas plus EA1. This is called first electron affinity, or here delta H is equal to minus EA1. Negative sign indicating with exothermic. That means amount of energy is released. That means exothermic. First electron affinity is an exothermic process. This is called uni-negative ion. Another one, the amount of energy absorbed when electron is added to uni-negative ion, and adding with another electron, it gives minus EA2. That means delta H is equal to plus EA2. In positive sign indicating with endothermic process. Here second electron affinity is an endothermic process, because comparing with both are amount of electron is added. Here first electron affinity is an exothermic process and the second electron affinity is an endothermic process, because in second electron is added to uni-negative ion. Second electron is added to uni-negative ion. Here already present in negative charge and electron adding, then there is no attractive force takes place. Then energy is absorbed. That means second electron affinity is an endothermic process. And variation in group and period. In down the group, electron affinity is decreases due to increase in atomic size. Another one, period. In a period from left to right, electron affinity is increases due to decrease in atomic size. But in some cases in down the group, electron affinity is gradually increases and then decreases, because for example electron affinity of third period is greater than electron affinity of second period, because due to small size of second period, then third period are high electron affinity. And for example, in 7th A group elements, electron affinity of chlorine is greater than electron affinity of fluorine. And another one, electron affinity of sulfur is greater than electron affinity of oxygen, and electron affinity of nitrogen phosphorus greater than electron affinity of nitrogen. In any group, third period of electron affinity is greater than second period of electron affinity. That means, for example, 7th A group elements, these are third period elements, second period elements. Third period is greater than second period. That means chlorine greater than fluorine, sulfur greater than oxygen, phosphorus greater than nitrogen. Another one, highest electron affinity element. Element is chlorine. Another one, least electron affinity element is cesium. In noble gas elements are zero electron affinity, because due to stable electronic configuration NH2, NP6, these all are completely filled orbitals, then electron affinity is zero for noble gas elements. These are electron affinity. Here main important points. First, electron affinity is an exothermic process. Second, electron affinity is an endothermic process. Another one, variation in a group and period. In down the group, electron affinity is gradually increases and then decreases. In period, electron affinity is increases. And electron affinity of, in any group, electron affinity of third period is always greater than electron affinity of second period, because due to small size of atoms. And for examples, 7th A group, 6th, 5th, 4th and so on. Here in long form of the periodic table, highest electron affinity element is chlorine, least electron affinity element is cesium, and noble gas elements has no electron affinity, because due to stable electronic configuration like NH2, NP6, due to completely filled orbitals, then electron affinity is zero. Another one, electronegativity. Electronegativity. The tendency of an atom to attract a shared pair of electrons towards itself are called electronegativity. The tendency of an atom to attract shared pair of electrons towards itself gives electronegativity. Electronegativity depends on nature of bonding, size of atom. Then electronegativity can be calculated by using two scales. They are Pauling scale and Mulliken scale. Here, electronegativity can be calculated by using two scales. They are Pauling scale and another one Mulliken scale. Here, first one, Pauling scale. This is based on bond energy values. The bond energy of A and B molecules, XA minus XB, electronegativity difference, XA minus XB equal to 0.208 root delta. This is kilojoules per mole or 0.1017 root delta kilocalories per mole, where delta is equal actual bond energy minus theoretical bond energy. That means in actual bond energy minus theoretical bond energy, it is calculated by using 1/2 AA bond energy and BB bond energy. So calculate the value of delta by using these two formulas: actual bond energy minus theoretical bond energy then theoretical bond energy can be calculated by using this one. That means A and B are two electronegative atoms, then the bond energy of sum of the average of two bond energy values is equal to theoretical bond energy. Another one actual bond energy, then find out the delta value. And the delta value is substitution, then unknown electronegativity find. And other one Millikan scale. It is the average of sum of electron affinity and ionization potential. Electronegativity is equal to Ip plus Ea by 2. This is called Millikan scale. It is the average of sum of the electron affinity and ionization potential gives Millikan scale. It is called electronegativity. Then other relations from electronegativity, and En is equal to Ip plus Ea by 5.6 electron volts per atom, or Ip plus Ea by 544 kilojoules per mole, or Ip plus Ea by 126 kilocalories per mole. These all are calculate the electronegativity for different units in different formulas. Another one, relation between Pauling scale and Millikan scale. Millikan scale is greater than 2.8 times greater than Pauling scale. Then Millikan scale is equal to 2.8 into Pauling scale. Millikan scale is 2.8 times greater than Pauling scale, then it is equal to this one. Another one, determine the nature of bonding. Determine the nature of bonding. If electronegativity is greater than 1.8, if electronegativity difference is greater than 1.8, then ionic bond is formed. Here main important, electronegativity difference is greater than 1.8, then ionic bond is formed. And similarly, electronegativity difference is less than 1.8, then nature of bonding is covalent bond. And electronegativity difference is equal to 1.8, then nature of bonding is 50% ionic and 50% covalent. Based on nature of bonding, for a given two electronegative values, and identify the nature of bonding. First of all, find out the electronegativity difference value, and based on depends on 1.8. Greater than 1.8, then ionic bond is formed. Less than 1.8, then covalent bond is formed. Then difference equal to 1.8, then both bond is formed, nature form, then 50% ionic, 50% covalent. Next other one, variation group and period. In down the group, electronegativity is decreases, and period electronegativity is increases. Highest electronegative element is fluorine, and the least electronegative element is cesium. These are seventh group element, these are first group element. Highest electronegativity element is fluorine, Least electronegative element is cesium, and the noble gas elements are zero electronegativity. Noble gas elements are zero electronegativity because due to presence of stable electronic configuration NS2 NP6 is a electronegativity. Now let us discuss in periodic properties. Here first one, the atomic number of A, B, C and D, different atomic weights A, B, C, D in atomic weights are Z minus 1, Z, Z plus 1 and Z plus 2. All are atomic weights. Here, if B is a noble gas, this one is noble gas. That means this is 18th group. Choose the correct answer from the following statements. First of all, identify the group number in the presence of A, B, C, D. Here given B is noble gas element, that means this is the 8th group. 8th group Z, that means Z minus 1 means 7th group. Z plus 1, that means noble gas after starting group number, this is 1A group. Z plus 2, that means 2A group. First of all, identify the given atomic number based on given atomic number. Then A is 7th group, B noble gas, C 1A and D 2A. Here identify the correct answer. Here first is A has higher electron affinity. 7th group. Here highest electron affinity. And the second one, C exists in +2 oxidation state. C exists Z plus 1, 1A group. 1A group is always exist in +1 oxidation state. Therefore, second one is wrong. D is the alkaline earth metal. D, 2A group. That means this is alkaline earth metal. And exists in +2 oxidation state. Here then option is first and third, highest electron affinity and alkaline earth metals, both are correct. And second one, observe the following statement. The physical and chemical properties of periodic functions of their electronic configuration. Here first one, okay. Electronegativity of fluorine is less than the electronegativity of chlorine. And second one is wrong. Electronegativity of fluorine is greater than chlorine. Suppose for example electron affinity given, that means fluorine is less than chlorine. And difference between two, electronegativity of fluorine is greater than chlorine and electron affinity is fluorine is less than chlorine. And second one is wrong. Electropositive nature decreases from top to bottom. Electropositive nature increases from top to bottom because due to increase in size of atom. Therefore here first one is only correct. The physical and chemical properties of periodic functions of their electronic configuration. Another one, third one. Identify the correct order in which the covalent radius of the following elements increases. In down the group, generally ionic covalent radius is increases. Here given 3 elements: titanium, calcium, scandium. In down the group, calcium, and other one scandium and titanium. In down the group increases, therefore calcium greater than, scandium greater than titanium. Another one, fourth one. Which of the following is a favorable factor for cation formation? In formation of cation, like low ionization potential gives cation easily. Which one of the following represents the correct order of electronegativity? In order of electronegativity, for given three elements, nitrogen, oxygen, phosphorus. That means nitrogen, phosphorus, oxygen. Here present in group table. Here identify the decreasing order of electronegativity from left to right. Electronegativity is increases. Therefore, oxygen greater than, nitrogen greater than phosphorus. The electronic configuration of elements A, B, C. Here first one, in first element, helium core 2s1. In the second element, neon core 3s1. And third element, argon 4s1. These all are S block elements and present in different periods, second, third, fourth. That means these are lithium, sodium, potassium. Different periods. Here group number same, all are same group of elements. One means first A group elements, that means all are same group, lithium, sodium, potassium. Here, which one of the following order correct for first ionization potential? In down the group, IP is decreases. Therefore, A greater than, B greater than C. Then decreasing order of first ionization potential, lithium, sodium, potassium. Lithium is more ionization potential and comparing with sodium, potassium. Next one. Problem number 7. Ionic radius of arsenic, antimony, bismuth and decreasing order of ionic radius. Here given ions, given cations, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. Then ionic radius, first of all, here present in a given group or period, hydrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. These all are fifth group elements. In down the group, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. Then ionic radius. In down the group, ionic radius is increases. Therefore, Bi plus 3, Sb plus 3, As plus 3. Another one, ionization energy and electronegativity affinity we represented as En, Ip, E. Which one of the following equation is correct according to Mullikan? Generally, Mullikan scale, electronegativity is equal to Ip plus Ea by 2. It is the average of ionization potential and electron affinity gives electronegativity. This is according to Mullikan scale. Another one, problem number 9. The element with atomic number 12 belongs to dash group dash period. First of all, atomic number Z equal to 12. In electronic configuration is neon core 3s2. This is period number, therefore period equal to third period and group number into a group based on NLX method, where N is period number, X is group number, and L is orbitals or azimuthal quantum number. Another one, the electronic configuration of group 3 element is group 3 general electronic configuration is in third group elements are NH2 NP1. Here third year group element is NH2 NP1 in general electronic configuration. Which of the following has the highest first ionization potential? Here given elements are aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, and other one potassium. These are present in periodic table. Here ionization potential from left to right increases. Therefore, this is more IP and this one is less IP. O minus to Si4 plus. Both are isoelectronic species. Isoelectronic species means atoms or ions having same number of electrons gives isoelectronic species. In isoelectronic species, ionic radius of anion increases and ionic radius of cation decreases. That means as the negative charge increases with increase in ionic radius, as the positive charge increases with decrease in ionic radius. In for example, F minus, O minus 2, N minus 3, N minus 3, O minus 2, F minus neon, Na plus, Mg plus 2, Al plus 3, and Si4 plus. These are the all are isoelectronic species. That means each ion having 10 electrons. And similarly, all are 10 electrons. Here, decreasing order of ionic radius is here. First of all, relation between anion, cation, and neutral. Ionic radius order, decreasing order, anion greater than, neutral greater than cation. Here given two ions, anion and cation. That means ionic radius of O minus 2 is greater than Si plus 4. Here, if the ionic radius of O minus 2 is 1.4 angstrom, then Si4 plus, that means less than 1.4, that means 0.41. Very important based on ionic radius. Based on principal relation, anion greater than, neutral greater than cation. If suppose for example two anions are given, more negative charge give more ionic radius. If two cations are given, less positive charge give more ionic radius. Another one, 13, next one, 13. Which of the following species has the highest ionization potential? Here, highest ionization potential for a given three given elements: lithium, Mg plus, Al plus, and neon. In highest ionization potential element is Al plus, because due to loss of one electron and gives the stable electronic configuration. Generally aluminum neon core 3s2 3p1. Here Al plus means neon core 3s2, loss of one electron from p orbitals. Then Al plus is more ionization potential. This is completely filled orbital. Therefore, these are more ionization potential. Another one, the physical and chemical properties of periodic functions of their atomic number. Based on modern periodic law, the physical and chemical properties of periodic functions of their atomic number or electronic configuration. Which one of the following elements has the highest first ionization potential? And similar problem for a given elements: boron, carbon, nitrogen and oxygen. Here first of all, arranged with same period or same group of elements. Both all are same period of elements. Therefore, boron, carbon, nitrogen and oxygen. Nitrogen is more ionization potential than oxygen because in nitrogen, due to presence of completely filled orbital, helium core 2s2 2p3. Here helium core 2s2 2p4. This is half-filled orbital. This is incompletely filled orbital. Therefore, half-filled orbitals are more stable than more ionization potential. These are the main reason for nitrogen. Ionization potential of nitrogen is always greater than ionization potential of oxygen. Based on electronic configuration, atoms elements having half-filled or completely filled orbitals are more stable than more ionization potential. These are classification of elements. And other one, tomorrow we discuss about then other important problems or other relations. Thank you.